back wanting to show you the cleaning paste in action. So I have my EnviroCloth and the cleaning paste. So I have a 1.5-year-old, and if she gets a hold of a permanent marker, it becomes pretty chaotic in my house. So that was before Norwex, of course. So I just wanted to show you, I have a piece of tile here and a permanent marker, Sharpie. I'm going to make a big old mark on that tile. Right, so I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit, because not always do you notice that it happens when it happens. And then we're going to take the cleaning paste, open it up, and it's like a hard powder when it's in this. But once you use the cloth, and you just have to go over it like 3 or 4 times to get it into like a nice little paste. You're gonna take your spot that was marked up and go over it a couple times. And it's nice and clean. And then I just fold my EnviroCloth again and get off all the residue, all the leftover product. And it's nice and clean. It's pretty awesome.